Who doesn't love a good campfire? And where's the perfect place for a fire? Ah, yes, the great outdoors. The sights, the sounds, and the smells. You know where isn't the perfect place for a fire? Inside your restaurant. So now that we've determined your restaurant is not the best place for a fire, let's talk about how to prevent them from starting. First up, let's talk about proper cleaning of equipment. As you probably know, your restaurant is filled with hoods, ducts, and filters whose sole purpose is to capture grease. This is great, because that means the rest of your restaurant isn't covered in grease. There's only one problem. All that grease builds up and becomes extremely flammable. So if you don't get it professionally cleaned, it's gonna burn your house down. Well, not actually your house. It's an expression. Filters should be cleaned daily by your staff, and everything should be cleaned quarterly by a licensed and insured professional. Next up, fire suppression systems. These beautiful systems are designed to put out a fire if one ever starts. They're reliable, but require inspections and servicing once every 6 months by a licensed and insured professional. Same thing for fire extinguishers. They should be inspected by a professional twice per year. Oh, and all your kitchen fire extinguishers should be Class K, as in keep up with your fire suppression system inspections. Keeping up the professionals theme, meet the electrical contractor. This friendly professional should be called the moment you discover any electrical issues, such as blackened wall plugs, sparks of any kind, or a circuit breaker that is warm to the touch. And while we're talking about electricity, make sure to inspect for frayed wires on a regular basis. Avoid using extension cords, and never stack boxes or other combustible material within 3 feet of a circuit breaker. Moving on to water heaters. It's pretty simple. Don't stack anything like mops or chemicals close to hot water heaters. Oh, and while we're talking about chemicals, don't put your chemical-soaked rags in an open container or the trash. They might ignite. Finally, let's discuss landscape fires. What? Landscape fires? Yeah. Something as small as a smoldering cigarette can cause your landscape mulch to go up in flames. We recommend replacing all mulch with some kind of decorative rock or lava rock. If you discover a problem, make sure to remove or repair it immediately. Remember to review your franchise risk policy packet for more tips on fire prevention.